Hi guys. In this video, I will show you how to recover your Roblox account without your email or phone number. So let's get started. If you unforgotten your password, keep getting clicked on forgot password or username, then it asks you either for your email to reset your password or you can also use your phone number. If you may have no idea of these or you don't have access to them. So in that case, scroll down and click on Help here, then you'll be taken to the Help page. Now here in the search bar, type forgot password, and you'll see this article here. I forgot my password, click on it. Now here come down to still having trouble, and then click on customer support. Now enter your date of birth, and then click on continue. Now here what you need to do is go and fill out the contact information here. And for the issue details, you can then go and choose a device you are using, and you can then select account hacked or can't log in. And then select forgot password here. Now fill in the description of issue and describe that you can't go and sign in and you don't have access to your email or phone number or they aren't added to your account. Within this process, Roblox are going to ask you to go and verify ownership that's super key. So, for example, if you purchase that account, you may need to provide a receipt or proof of you paying for it. As a gamer, it can be really hard to meet other people who share your interest. Heck, it's hard to find people who don't judge you for it. But did you know that there's a dating app specifically designed for gamers? Everyone on the app has the same hobby as you, making it much easier to form meaningful connections. If this sounds interesting, click the link in the description and try it out. You might end up finding your real-life player too.